Namaste viewers, welcome to my channel again. The topic of discussion again would be brachial plexus injuries, but apart from that, the reason for making this video is I had been encountering some requests that the people from other country are unable to understand the language of videos which we had posted previously in brachial plexus injuries. Those were all in Hindi language. So this is the reason I am making this video to address this particular language barrier problem. I'll be coming up with certain videos which will be made in English language, and that will help reach out to n number of people who are not understanding the Hindi language. I would again reiterate two most important equipments in the exercise therapies. Basic equipment, that's the hand glove which I had mentioned in one of my previous video, but it was in Hindi language. This is the hand glove, and it helps very much for gripping certain objects, and I am just limiting myself into holding exercise therapy objects. I did not comment about daily living objects, but exercise therapy equipments. So this is the hand glove which helps you grip like a dumbbell or a handle, etc., while doing your exercises. I had purchased this online. That's the hand glove through a mobile application. And second equipment which I'd like to mention over here is the elbow pedi wrap. This I have made it specifically from an orthotist, a local orthotist. This was made for a patient, and it was a specific customized made. This you can get online also, but the problem in online is it's just a standard size. You can get this made it from your nearest orthotist. It has 3 velcros. The material is neoprene material, and this is to avoid bending of your elbow during exercises. So that's the elbow pedi wrap. Sometimes it happens that your elbow buckles up, so this is quite tough. It doesn't bend at all, okay, and it helps stabilize your elbow joint. Keeping this aside, you can just it has got a broad portion up and a narrow portion down. You have to just keep the broad portion upper side, and you have to just apply the velcros. That's the elbow pedi wrap. So these are the two basic equipments which we had used in our previous videos for exercise therapies. Also, I'd like to mention over here that not every brachial plexus injury patient would be having same kind of recovery. The recovery, it depends on many factors. I'd like to mention the type of injury, the type of avulsion injuries, the type of surgery preferred by your surgeon, and many other factors. If you have any diabetes or etc. So these are certain matters which factors which affects your recovery. So first of all, stop getting panicked. Don't get panicked that why am I not getting recovery. Rather than exploring the problem, search for the answer. Keep on working on your exercises. That's going to help much. Also, we'll be coming up with certain exercise videos of brachial plexus injuries. Those exercises will be basics, and the exercises will be recorded in English language. Also, I would like to recommend over here is if you have certain queries, if you have certain doubts, I would like you to reach out to us by video call. It will help us to guide you in precise way, because since chatting sometimes it doesn't help much. And also I'd again like to reiterate over here is that don't take these exercises as your treatment. These are for awareness purposes, and it's for education purposes. You can also tell your friends who are suffering with BPI, the brachial plexus injuries, about our channel. And stay tuned. We'll be coming up with a next exercise video very soon. Thank you.